What's up guys, Steven Dux here. Today I want to talk about some trades I made today and some trades that happened recently. Before I get started, I want to talk about my chat room. It's already released. And if you go to stevenduxy.com and if you click shop, then click to Daily Dux to learn more. There's going to be tier 1, tier 2, and tier 3. So tier 1 will be watch list in the chat room, and tier 2 will be my statistics analysis and my monthly statistics report. So I will be tracking all the plays that we did and giving out each details about what you need to trade and what you need to track on specific trade. Tier 3 will be adding webinars and personal Q&A. If you're interested, it's already up now. And the tier 2 is not up yet, will be available in about a week or two or so. But the tier 1 is already open and tier 3 is already open, so make sure check it out. And there's also a coupon code. Just go ahead and review the website, and if you're interested, go ahead and subscribe to, well, which tier you're interested. So there's two plays that happened today. I traded CDTI and SNES. So there's been crazy volume for the past couple days. SNES traded about 52 million volume, 52 million shares today, and you can see it's very heavy crowded in the morning, and shorts got squeezed actually when I think they're tempted to short into this 1.5 area. And on this specific place, when you see the stock is heavy traded, you have to be really careful not getting squeezed, because you have to cut your losses. If you look at the long-term chart, there's no ceilings. The stock is actually the first time trading with this kind of insane volume. So be really careful with those charts. And I did short it, well, a decent size in the 1.7 area, covered in the 1.25, and my alerts are alerted in real time in my chat room. So all the trades I did is in the chat room. And also CDTI, I shorted around this 1.4 area, looking for that afternoon fade, and turns out to be the perfect afternoon fade. I covered in the $1-ish, so that's about 40% gain. SNEX is about 25% gain, so very solid trade today. And I also want to talk about recent squeezes that happened a couple weeks ago. I did get caught on BLNK, but I didn't call as bad. I attempted to short the first green day, cut it my loser once it turns back, close in the 410s. So lost about a couple thousand there, and hammered big size in this perk, 5.4-ish, risking that 5.5-ish. Lost about 10 to, I think 15,000, and I shorted into this perk, got my money back, and I never seems to trust this stock, because every time it hits that 4 area, it bounces right back. So then it released earnings and stuff and went all the way to 8.5, and I stopped trading this ticker. And haven't traded since then. And there's so many plays happen recently, so BLNK is not really my focus. But I see people losing on BLNK. Same thing, don't ever short on the first green day, and don't hammer in something that doesn't have resistance. So if the chart does have resistance, I'm more comfortably hammering more size into it. But with a stock trading with heavy volume and no ceiling, I will never hammer in something like 100,000, 200,000 shares, or not even like 50 50,000 shares into it. So make sure be really careful and set your risk really close to your stop really close to whatever the stock you are trading in without the ceilings, because those things can potentially blow up your account very, very easily. So be careful with shorting. And see other things I need to talk about. FWP will be a play tomorrow. It looks like it doesn't have any resistance in the chart, so we'll have to see how it plays out. It's not a low flow, it's not a low cap, and will really depends on how it opens tomorrow, if it opens gap up or gap down. We'll certainly to watch how it reacts when the market open. Other than that, I can't predict if the stock is gonna go up or down. So trade by the reaction and don't ever try to predict trades. BLNK examples, and I'm pretty sure there's another one. I'm pretty sure, yeah, SNES is an example too. A lot of people were shorting that once and went all the way to the twos. So you are down 100% on your shorts. And you can't really get out in the after hour because there's no liquidity there. So this is the same identical chart, just like IDXG. I think it was 2 years ago. So make sure to track your plays and know exactly what you're doing and know what kind of pattern you are trading. Please have an edge. I don't want to see people blow up their accounts, and get your risk level really, really tight. Good luck tomorrow, and if you are interested to the chat room, it's already here. There's a lot of people like it, and if you do want to try it out, just try it out 1 month tier 1 and see what do you think about the watch list and chat room. And other than that, you guys have a great day, and thank you very much.